Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to the online classes after the summer vacation. I hope that you have enjoyed a little bit. Okay, but now it's time for study. So in this video, in part 1, we are going to learn about the Photoshop. It's very interesting software. You must know at least basic concept. Clear? So let's have started. This chapter, it will cover all this topic. These are the main topics of this chapter. Clear? So we will know one by one. And before doing this one, let me say that most of things in this chapter are practical. Yes. What is the Photoshop? Then starting Photoshop, we will know that how we'll start the Photoshop. Next one, Photoshop workplace. We will know about the workplace of the Photoshop. Clear? Then the Photoshop toolbox, okay, where we'll get all the tools. We will know about the tools also. Okay, creating a new image window, how we'll create the new image window in Photoshop. So it's a totally practical thing. Okay, I'll show you. Now next one, opening an image, how we'll open an image in a Photoshop, then how we'll save it. Clear? Now next, we're using the Photoshop tools. Okay, so, I'll show you using some tools, a project. Okay, so like creating a collage. So in second video I'll show you. And next one is what? The layers plate. You will know about the layers. Okay, so in Photoshop you need to know that layers is the most important features in the Photoshop. Clear? So in next video, second video, I'll just give the information about the layers. Clear? Working with layers in the layers plate. Also we will know how we'll work with the layers. Clear? These are all are practical, so you need to know. And what I said, it's very important and it's very interesting software, so we need to know actually. Clear? So let's have started. Next, so the first topic is what is Photoshop. Clear? So before starting this one, you should know, you should have the idea, you should have the information about the Photoshop. Yes or no? So Photoshop is a popular image changing software package. It is widely used by the photographers for photo editing. Exactly, not ending. It's a mistake. It's a typing mistake. Editing. Okay, like fixing the colors, reducing the noises, adding the effects, etc. But nowadays, everyone can use the Photoshop, or everyone should know about the basic concept of the Photoshop, because photo editing is very important nowadays. And by the graphics designer and the web designer to create the images for the web pages also. Using internet, we often search the web pages. Now in that web pages we can see that so many pictures are there, so many images are there. So that images are created using the Photoshop. Clear or not? So by the graphics designer and the web designer to create the images for the web pages also, they used it. Okay, clear? Now next, now it's a totally practical, starting the Photoshop. How you will start the Photoshop. Clear? So these are the simple basic concept, basic steps to open the Photoshop in any computer, in any operating system. Clear or not? So these are the simple concept. Mainly you can open it in Windows 7. Clear? Now see, step 1, click on the start button. If you want to open the Photoshop, so you need to go start button. Okay, then select all programs, then select Adobe Master Collection CS6. CS6 is the version of the Photoshop. Clear? Now select the Adobe Photoshop CS6 and it will appear with its window. Clear? It's a very simple step. Now let me show you, as I'm using the Windows 10 operating system, so I'm going to show you. It's very simple, easy concept, easy process how you'll open it. Clear? Let me show you. Okay, come to the desktop. Okay, and just see, come here, this one, see Windows button. Okay, here you can see this one, it's a Windows 10 operating system. So click the Windows button. Okay, in Windows button, then come directly to the search box. Okay, if you have installed or Photoshop is installed in your system, so you can easily find out. Okay, so you need to write down to open it for Photoshop. What you write down? PHOTOSHOP, Photoshop. Okay, only Photoshop. If it is installed, so you can see this one, Adobe Photoshop CS5 or CS6. So in my system I'm using CS5. It's an old version. Okay, clear? So you will get this option Adobe Photoshop CS5 or CS6, or these are the bit, okay, 64 bit, 32 bits are there. So you just click it here, just press it. Okay, now it's loading time. Okay, you'll get the new window of the Photoshop. Just wait. Okay, here we go. See, this one is the main window of the Photoshop. Clear? PS means Photoshop. Clear? So in this way we can easily open it. Clear? So let me minimize this one. Okay, now next one, the Photoshop workplace. What is the Photoshop workplace? Workplace means where we will work. Okay, where we will just work. See this one, this is called workplace. Okay, this is called workplace. So you can use the combination of tools, menus, command and plate based features to open and edit your digital images in Photoshop. Clear? So in workplace you can get all these things. You can use the combination of tools, menus, command and the plate based features to open and edit your digital images in the Photoshop. Clear? So in workplace you can get these options are there. Okay, so you need to know about these options. Okay, see, one is menu bar, then options bar, then panel, then toolbox. So let me say you that what is the menu bar. I think it is very clear. See, menu bar means where you can get the menus. All menus are there, like file menu, edit menu. Okay, these are the menu bars. Clear? Now option bar means what? After the menu bars you will get the so many options. Okay, that is called options bar. Okay, whenever you click any menu, then you will get so many menus, so many options are there. Okay, you'll get the so many options here. Okay, now that bar is called option bar. Okay, and toolbox. So in toolbox all tools you will get it. Okay, for doing the work, for changing the pictures or making the picture editing, you will get the all tools here in toolbox. Clear? Now panel is what? In panel you will get the layers. Okay, I have already said that layers are very important features in the Photoshop. Clear? Whenever you will open any picture, that picture it will open on a layer. Clear? Clear? Okay, now it's a panel. That means in panel you will get the layers. Clear? Okay, now next one is the toolbox, Photoshop toolbox. Clear? So we must know all the Photoshop tools name actually one by one. So toolbox contain the many separate tools. See, you can see this one. This is the toolbox. Okay, so each and every tool's name is there. Okay, so in your chapter or in this class only you need to know some tools uses. We have already know that what is the Photoshop. The next one is the starting Photoshop. Okay, these are the practical. Then Photoshop workplace, about the workplace also where we will work. Next one, the Photoshop toolbox. Clear? So many tools name we have already learned. Okay, and next one is these three are practical. Okay, so we will know this thing one by one. Okay, it's very interesting. And creating a new image window. So the question is how we will take the new image window in Photoshop. Clear? So it's very easy. Okay, let me show the practical. Okay, now come to the direct Photoshop. Okay, okay, see this one. This is the Photoshop. I have already opened this. Okay, now how we take the new image window? It's very simple. You need to go the file menu, then you just click the new, shortcut Ctrl+N. Clear? So new. Okay, so you'll get this pop-up menu and you'll just fill this all information. Okay, so you just fill the width, what width you need of your new window, width and height. So I have given 1080, 1080 and 720. Clear? Resolution should be 300. Don't change it. Okay, 300. Okay, you just press the 300. And next one is the color mode. You need to know. Clear? Color mode means what? In color mode, you will always use the RGB when you will not get the printout. Okay, so if you want to give the printout that picture, you will use the CMYK color. Okay, and you just leave the bit 8. Okay, and white. Okay, so just press the OK, only OK. You will get the new image window. See this one? Clear or not? Simple. Okay, see? Clear? And next one is what? Opening an image. How will open an image? Okay, so just leave it. Okay, how will open it? Just close this one. Okay, new window. Okay, minimize. Now go to the desktop directly. Clear? So at first you need to find out that where you have the picture. Okay, you need to go the location. Okay, in school I have some pictures. Okay, So just let me open. Now next one, the background pictures. I have some pictures. Okay, let me click. See, so many pictures are there. Okay, open with. Now next one, add a Photoshop. Clear? You can open this picture. See, directly. Clear or not? Another process. Okay, just let me close this one. Another process. Okay. Now next one. So if you want to open this picture also, one option is using right click. Okay, open with. Otherwise, you just press the left button. Okay, on this picture and just drag it to the Photoshop. See this one, we have the Photoshop, and see this one, the Photoshop. You just click here, leave it here, leave it here. Clear or not? Now next one, saving a file. So how we will save the file? Okay, in Photoshop. So let me show. Okay, see this one. So if you want to save this file, so you need to click the file option, then save as or save. No problem. Clear? Okay, now you will get this window actually, or pop-up menu. Okay, now next one, choose the location where you want to save. Suppose I want to save the desktop. Okay, now next you need to just give the file name. Okay, practice, practic, I'm just giving. Okay, practice. Clear? Now next one, format. You need to choose the format. Okay, it's very easy. JPG. You will just give the JPG format. Join photographic expert group. Okay, join photographic expert group. Clear? Then you just press the save. Clear? See quality high or low, you can get it. Also you just give the high, there's no problem. Okay, just okay. So you can easily find out this file where I have saved it in desktop. What name? Practice. See this one. Now next, okay, we have this picture. So we want to change the background color of this picture. Clear? So how we change it? It's very interesting. Okay, so I hope that you will just try in your home also how to change the background color of the picture. Clear? So at first you need to select it from the magic tool. See, right click of this one, take the magic tool. Okay, magic wand tools. Okay, now just click it here. See, this one already it is selected. Okay, now you need to select this one and this one also, Clear? So don't press it, press the shift, then just press it. Okay, see this one. Clear? Now okay, if you want to suppose you need to zoom out. Okay, so what will be the short form? Okay, just press the Control plus. Okay, Control plus means zoom out and Control minus in zoom in. Okay, so for selecting in a proper way, so I'm just making the zoom out, okay, of this picture. See, okay, now just press again the shift, then you just adjust this one. Okay, see this one. Okay, on the selection. Clear? Now next one is, see, on the selection. Okay, don't outside of the selection, on the selection just press it, automatically adjust. See this one. Clear or not? Okay, now next one, it's okay, almost fine. Okay, now next one, this one is also. So just don't leave the space shift button. Clear? Now just zoom it, Control plus. Okay, now just adjust this one, click the scroll over. Okay, now just press the shift again, then you just click here on the selection. Okay, don't outside of the selection. Okay, just on the click here. Okay, now next. Okay, okay, by mistake if you done some mistakes. Okay, so how will change it? Suppose I am just doing this one. See, like this one by mistake. Okay, so you just click the Control plus Z first time. Okay, and second time you will use for undo Control Alt plus Z. Okay, for the second time. First time you will use Control Z for making the undo, and if you want to again make the want to make the undo, then you will use the Control Alt Z. Okay, now this one is okay. Now let me zoom in. Okay, see, almost I have selected. Clear or not? So selection part is done. Now I will go to this one. See, foreground color and background color. I said now. So you just click the foreground color and just choose the color. Okay, this color, and okay, press the okay. Clear or not? See. Okay, now you need to use the shortcut of this backspace, Alt plus back space. See, clear or not? Okay, color is changed. Okay, now how you just remove this selection? See this one, magical selection, yes or no? Okay, only you need to press the Control plus D. Again I'm saying Control plus D. See, tack. Okay or not? Clear? Now simple. See, clear or not? So this is the practical for changing the background color of the Photoshop in a photo actually. Okay, so it's very interesting. Clear or not? I hope that you have understood. Okay, if you don't understand, just please repeat this video again and you see the instruction or see the practical. Clear or not? Okay, so okay, thank you. Next one. Okay, next. So in next part we will discuss the more information about the Photoshop. Clear or not? Important site is there. Okay, if you want to download the Photoshop any version, there is no problem. Okay, CS6, CS5, there is no problem. You just search, you visit this website, you can easily get this option, get the software. Clear or not? So keep learning and be happy. Thank you.